slack, that's all you got. Every day I'm meeting somebody and all of their beats. Quick to shake it in the hand, show me all of their teeth. And these bitches I'm patting their asses. They start gumming, movie eyes looking at me, batting their lashes. Rappers think Detroit niggas not as down as them. A sense that I'm down with slim and I sound like them. People judge me and tell me that my hook might sell. And say fat shit to me like I look like L. My advice, quit talking, it's over. I was knocking niggas out when you was knocking sticks off of these shoulders. I got dirt done in my past, I know y'all sweat. I got me crazy with this
Девчонки на черном хуй только что разобрались, кто из них, кто вы решаете ваше решение сразу же после нашего. Дальше идет